It's Sandy and Chloe with Meaningful Day Services, and we're doing Meaningful Creations today. And today we're going to be making a spring fan for you today, and right now Chloe's doing some decorations on one that she's making that's going to have some stripes and some design on it. The one that we're going to make to show you is going to be solid, but first I'm going to tell you a few things that are going on here at Meaningful Days. We are currently hiring rec and music therapists, and we are also still have space available in our after-school program on Kentucky Avenue in Indianapolis for kids for now and for next fall. If you need needs that kind of service, please get a hold of us. Please follow us on all of our social media, on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, and of course on YouTube, and give us a thumbs up if you see our video. So today we are doing a fan, and to do a fan, a spring fan that you can carry around in your pocket, you start with a plain piece of paper like this. You cut it down to 5 by 8 inches like this. You fold it with accordion folds, which Chloe was nice enough to do a bunch of these for me, so that we had some accordion folded ones. And then, once you have it accordion folded, you fold it in half. You glue the piece in half, so it goes like this, like this. And then you glue it to a stick, like this. And then the rest is pretty simple. So we're gonna glue, and glue, and always keep that fold up. Don't make the mistakes that I make, or you will have a fan that does not open. And we're going to do some glue, and some glue, fold up. And the last but not least, after I get the 3, because you're going to use 3 of them, is you're going to do glue again. And you're going to do one more stick, and you're going to use the big sticks, not the little sticks. Don't use popsicle sticks, they're not big enough. You're going to stick that on there. And now comes the fun part where you sit and hold it for about 2 or 3 minutes to make sure that the glue is dried. And then once it has dried, what does it look like, Chloe? What does it look like? Can you hold one up and show it? Yes, isn't that cool? And when you aren't using it, you can fold it down and put it in your pocket. Spring fan. Have a great May, and we'll see you in June. Take care. Bye-bye.